Hi, this is Financially Healthy. All one word is the name of my channel, and I'm Marlene. And today we're going to talk about financial freedom. You have to define for yourself what financial freedom means to you. Does it mean a modest or a lavish lifestyle? Does it mean being out of debt? Does it mean saving for college? Does it mean having that emergency fund that is so important at this time? For 3 to 6 months, which could easily equal about $20,000 in some states. But whatever financial freedom, maybe paying off your mortgage, maybe retiring early, whatever financial freedom means to you, that's what it means to you. That would be your goal. The first thing, and it's always the first thing, and it's the most disliked thing, is make a budget and assign a purpose to every dollar, including paying down debt, savings. First of all, people say, the $1,000 emergency fund is not enough. No, it's not enough. But you know what? Once you get $1,000 in there, you are going to feel a little more relaxed. It's a small goal and it's one to grow on. Like I said, in some states, 3 to 6 months is what a emergency fund is usually considered. That could be 20 to 30,000 in a savings account. You want it in an account, it's easy to get, and it's not going to possibly tank down to nothing sometimes. We know how important a budget is nowadays. You have to stay, once you adjusted the budget to your living and you're doing your savings, paying down your debt, and all those things, then, and saving for your emergency fund, in the discipline of living within a budget and living under your means, not within your means, under your means, you will feel real empowerment. You will not be like the 78% of the people. Now, it might be 7 out of 10 of your neighbors couldn't handle $1,000 debt. Many people are finding out, oh, I had that emergency fund, and they don't. Okay, once you get good at budgeting, once you have the emergency fund, once you have paid down your debt, your credit cards are maybe charging you 15 to 25%. So that's where you make your money by paying. You don't really make your money, but you become more responsible. Please, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe. I'm Financially Healthy, all one word, and I'm Marlene. But the name of the channel is Financially Healthy. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Okay. After you're doing that and you're getting more into your budget and you're living under your means and you're finding you have all those things that we talked about before, debt paid down, things like that. You can have a mortgage, but if that is one of your goals to pay that off, well, then whatever. Um, Once you have the discipline of living within your means, do it. Do it, do it, do it. You will feel so empowered. And then you can open the right accounts for you. I see a lot of YouTubers say, oh, I'm in the market. Oh, I make all these dividends. Oh, well, you know what? That may not be right for you. You may just want to have a simple 401k. You're not going to make astronomical amounts, or you might want to save for college with a 529 plan, or you might want to have an IRA. This is in addition to these types of accounts. They're critical in a large part because they grow your money tax free, and they are one of your goals. You are aiming for the future. Now, like I said, budgeting includes savings, and it also includes paying down your debt. Create a plan to pay all your outstanding debts. And the reason you would do that is you're paying a lot of interest on them right now. There are two methods. One is called the avalanche, where you take the highest interest credit card And you pay that down by making extra payments on that while making the minimum on your rest. And another one that works better for most people because they see more results quicker, their results are quicker, is the avalanche. You take your lowest balance credit card and you make extra payments on that while still paying the minimum on your other ones. And then once you get that paid off, you take all the money you were paying on that, put it onto your next card, and that's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It's bigger and bigger and bigger because you are paying more and more money and reducing your debt. Getting out of debt is a really good goal. Debt repayment requires a strategy, and you choose the one that's right for you. Build an emergency fund, as we said before, and as we see now. Um, 3 to 6 months salary, like I said, depending on what state, you might be up to $20,000. But just to get that first thousand, like everyone's, oh, the first thousand doesn't count. Well, the first thousand does because A, you made a success and you are financially healthy. Name of my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm putting out videos twice a week, and I'm trying to do my best to make your life a little better when it comes to finance. And I'm also always open to videos you would like me to do. I know how to actuate a mortgage and things like that. It's just life lessons I've learned. And for some reason, they never teach them in school. Do they want to keep us financially illiterate? And, I don't know. It takes a strategy. You will pay down your debt. And oh, what a freeing feeling. That is freedom to have no debt, maybe a mortgage. But other than that, no high interest, oh, credit card debt or personal loans or money owed to friends. Oh my, that is just so great. Learn more about finances. Yes, and it's free. Go to your public library, which is usually open, but at this time it is not sometimes, but they will be opening again. It's free. Get books on it. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts. Find people who are financially successful and mimic them. Ask them, how do you get by? You have X amount of kids and you guys always have great vacations and things like that. You might find something out if they're honest with you. Oh, well, we just have a lot of debt. Or, you know what? We do this, we do that. We have side hustles, things like that. That people are a good resource. And if someone will talk honestly with you about finances, which is not always a pleasant conversation, I talk honestly with you about finances. Your bank is also a great resource. If you want to buy a home, your bank can sit down with you and look at your credit score and things like that. And they can tell you how to achieve that goal. And it's free. And these are strategies that will bring you to financial freedom at a quicker pace. Um, and they're all free. They're all free. Don't buy a plan. It won't be right for you. Don't go, if it's too good to be true, don't go into those get rich quick schemes because they usually are too good to be true. Um, Research additional ways to earn more money. Could you work at a major box store on the weekends? Well, maybe you have a talent for fixing things. I do. I have rentals. That's income. That's a side hustle. And I've had to learn how to fix a lot of things over my time with rentals. And it's cool. It happens, and people come to me and say, "Hey, can you help me fix this and that?" And I help them for free because I don't always know how to do things. And so research ways of like ride sharing or start your own business with no startup costs. Say you have a friend you always dog sit for, or you dog walk, or something like that. Well, that friend is a reference, and or you house sit for, and you could use that friend as a reference because you've been doing good work for them, and they appreciate your help. They can help you too. Um, Even YouTube videos, and possibly maybe even write some articles on some things that you are knowledgeable about. My personal like is I like to write articles on money management, financial freedom, like today. Know the difference between wants and needs, and I can't stress this enough. Financially Healthy is the name of my channel. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I have like over 20 some videos, and I want to build this. I want to help you. And I have simple, not above your head kind of, I'm just starting out. And I would say don't invest in anything you do not understand. Do not understand the stock market, then, like I said about research, go into researching it. There's plenty of books out there. And no one ever times the stock market right. So don't even think about that. And like I said, know the difference between wants and needs. Right now, it's even more important to say, hey, hit that like button. Subscribe, please. No, it's even more important because there are only limited resources possibly coming into your house, and financially income. Possibly one spouse has lost a job, so you have to go on the like a lower income, so than you were used to. Watch for lifestyle creep too. If that, it's a simple concept. If you get a raise or if you get a bonus, that should go right into your savings. Should not touch your budget, or it should go right to paying down debt, or it should go right into your retirement, your 401k, and where it can grow tax deferred. That's excellent. Building wealth is a marathon. That's my last thought on this. It is not a sprint. It takes time. It takes sacrifices. It takes the word when friends want to go out for a very expensive night of drinking or dining. I'm sorry, that's not in my budget right now. I'm trying to be more financially free. And the name of my channel is Financially Healthy. I want to be financially healthy. I want you to be financially healthy. We can do this together. And I hope you like this video. Please do a like, a share. You know, somebody this could help. Subscribe, comment. I want to know more ideas, better ideas. Whatever you're doing, I would like to mimic. Tell me, you know, how did you first save for your first emergency fund? Or how do you plan on doing it after things change? You can do this. I know you can. There's many people that do. Okay, Financially Healthy is the name of my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. If you know someone this could help, comment and give me ideas for more videos. I really like your ideas. I also want to know, are you prospering in this time? Many of you are still working. Are you planning ahead? You can still build that if you're still working. 1 out of 4 people are unemployed like maybe 2 weeks ago. So that means 3 out of 4 are still employed, maybe in a lesser amount of hours or whatever. So these things are very important. Financial freedom, if you had it before this time, you would be resting easily, or I guess that's a new word. Hey, I care about you. I want you to succeed. I know you can succeed. You can do this. Like I said, you're going to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. You learn more from your mistakes than you learn from your successes. Always believe that. Hey, financially healthy, all one word. Name of my channel. Please like, subscribe. I have 20 some videos right now. I'm new. I'm working at it. And we're going to get this done together. Thank you for watching.